Hi everyone, it's Marcus from Horntools, and today I'm going to show you how to take down our Themis hardshell roof tent. Taking it down is really straightforward. I always start by closing the windows first. It's best if you come along with me, then I can show you from the inside. A little tip for the windows: if you don't close them completely when packing up the tent, and leave the top one slightly open, then air can escape from the tent more easily during takedown. That's because you have a very tightly sealed tent fabric here, which of course protects you from wind and weather. However, if the windows are closed, the air naturally can't escape. The result would be that the fabric keeps bulging outwards. That's why I always leave a gap open at the top. That way, the air can escape nicely afterwards. We do this with all the windows. That makes it the easiest way. Right. Now just close the door. Again, leave a small gap for air here too, and that way you can fold everything up nicely afterwards. Then take out the guy poles on both sides. We can put them straight into the bag afterwards. Then we put the guy poles into the roof tent so that we have them with us for the next use. Remove the shoe bag again. It's very easy, as the two fastenings here have already been removed. And then it's time to fold everything up. To do this, simply fold up the fabric edge here, which serves as a seal. Then we can already start folding up the tent. As you can already see quite well, an air bubble is forming here. The air escapes up here through the opening. We'll also tuck away the straps so they don't end up flying around later. And then we'll just hook this in loosely for now. On both sides. Don't tighten it completely yet, so we can still work on the other side and tidy up the fabric all around the tent properly. Tuck the fabric in neatly all the way around. Do the same on the other side. And then we can already close the second side of the tent. Finally, check again to make sure the fabric is tucked in nicely everywhere. Then stow away the strap and simply secure it here again. If you notice that the fabric is still hanging out, just loosen it briefly again. Of course, don't loosen it completely, otherwise the tent roof will flip up. Stow the fabric away neatly and then the tent can be closed. To do this, simply tighten the strap upwards, press the lid down briefly. And just like that, the roof tent is packed away again. Finally, just remove the ladder again. Secure it briefly and then pack it back into the bag. That's all there is to it. I wish you lots of fun with your Horn Tools roof tent.